Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Jim Teal with Teal Truck Center, Pleasant Valley, Iowa. We are a truck dealer located on the very eastern side of Iowa, right along the Mississippi River in an area called the Quad Cities. We're located only 2 miles off of Interstate 80. So, today, I have the pleasure to give you a walk around on this 15 Ford F150 Super Crew. I just pictured this, walked around it, drove it, and I just can't believe how nice a truck this is. I'm a little confused. We only have this thing priced at $24,995. Not sure if we mispriced that or not, because this seems like a $30,000 truck to me all day long. So listen to this. 2015, this is an XLT. It's had a lot of stuff done to it. It's got the Raptor front grille with the lights that they actually have them working right. Sitting on 20-inch method wheels. Those are BF K02s. Look at those. Deep with tread. 3.5 liter Eco. And I'm telling you, this thing screams, man. I just drove it and it gets it. FX4 package. It's got a spray-in bed liner aftermarket. It's got slider back window, tow package. And obviously this is a 15, so this is an aluminum body. There's absolutely no rust on it, obviously. The underside is clean. It's got these kick-out steps there. It's a tinted glass. Just a sweet truck. Tastefully modified. Looks like it's got a leveling lift kit to it. I gotta show you the inside of this thing. It's got some cool stuff. So we got cloth interior. It does have carpet, but it's got WeatherTech all the way through. Aftermarket Kenwood navigation with a big backup camera. All digital HVAC controls. Looks like they've got a CB wired in there for you too. Didn't test that one, but pretty cool either way. Just clean, guys. This is just a cool truck for 25 grand. And here's the other thing. 106 for miles. That's it. 106. 25 grand. I know, I'm a little confused too. So I'm not going to change it. We're going to sell it for 25 grand. So the first person gets here, wants it, it's yours. It's a nice truck, super nice truck. It's going to go fast, guys. So here's the deal. You know it. Teal Truck Center, Pleasant Valley, Iowa. Again, here we are. Going to sell the nicest truck in the area at the best price. $24,995 for this 15 F150 FX4 Crew Cab. 3.5 Eco. Tons of extras on it. Just got it serviced. It's ready to drive to anywhere you want to take it, guys. $24,995. I got more pictures of this, probably 50 plus on our website, tealtrucks.com, THIEL trucks.com. Look us up at the, give us a call at 563-424-2000, 563-424-2000. Subscribe to our subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. I'm lost of words at this thing. I don't know what was going on when I priced this thing, but $24,995, guys. Jump on it today. Till next time. See ya.